In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize opportunity cards in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your pipeline clean, accurate, and ready for reporting, all with a few quick edits inside each opportunity. Start by heading to Opportunities. This is your central hub for tracking deals, so clicking into it will open your pipeline and list views. If you manage multiple pipelines or stages, that's fine. Just make sure you're looking at the section where the opportunity you want to adjust is located. Next, select the opportunity card you want to update. Click directly on the card to open its details. You'll see the key fields we're about to edit, and any change you make here will be reflected wherever the card appears in your pipeline. If you're planning to adjust several records in a row, it can help to work through them one at a time to avoid missing a save. Let's begin with the business name. Click into the business name field and type the correct company or account name. Keeping a consistent naming convention, such as always using the official business name, prevents duplicates and makes searching and filtering much easier later on. Now update the opportunity source. This is where you note how the lead entered your world, such as a form submission, an ad campaign, or a referral. Pick the most accurate source available. Getting this field right pays off in reporting, attribution, and understanding which channels generate your best opportunities. Adjust the tags. Next, tags help you segment, filter, and trigger automations. Add any relevant tags that describe the opportunity and remove ones that no longer fit. Keep your tags short, consistent, and intentional so your team can rely on them. Small differences like capitalization or pluralization can create messy duplicates, so choose carefully. Update the opportunity value to reflect the expected deal amount. Enter a clean number that represents the potential revenue. This figure drives pipeline totals and forecasts, so it's better to use your best current estimate and refine it as the deal progresses. When you're finished, click Update to save your changes. Look for the confirmation that your edits have been applied. If you navigate away without saving, your updates won't stick, so make this button your final stop every time. That's it. Open Opportunities, choose the card, refine the business name, set the correct opportunity source, clean up your tags, confirm the opportunity value, and hit Update. Repeat this process across your pipeline to keep your data trustworthy, your filters meaningful, and your forecasts accurate.